Welcome to MEMIDOS. My name is Yuji, and today I will show you how to correctly format your images so they are ready to be used on the web store. To give customers a good impression of your product, it is important to use a good quality image that clearly shows your product and do not leave any doubt about what the customer is actually buying. These images may not contain any text, watermark, or logo. For the featured product image, which is the first image on the main page, the picture shall only be showing the product on a white or transparent background. The same rule applies for the images used for each product variation when setting up variable products. If you also wanted to show your product in use or in different work situations, you can do that by adding these images to the image gallery. You do that by clicking on the small image placeholder and add more image placeholders by clicking on the plus. There are more supported file formats, however, we strongly encourage you to use JPEG or WebP. Make sure it is optimized in size. It is important that your product page will load as fast as possible, as this will increase the chance of your product ranking high on Google and other search engines. It will also give the customer a better buying experience. In the following, I will show you how to do the formatting of an image. For this example, I will be using GIMP. Feel free to follow along with an image manipulation software of your preference. GIMP is a free open source software that can be downloaded from gimp.org. We are now in our image software and we will start with editing the featured image for your product. You can open your picture by clicking on New under File. The size of the image should be 800 x 800 pixels. We will choose 300 pixels per inch and white as the background color. The featured images are displayed as rectangular in the product overview. We therefore need to make a margin of 100 pixels on each side of the image. We will now add two guides, one on each side of your picture. You find them under Image. Click on Guide and then on New Guide. Choose the direction to be vertical and position a guide at 100 and one at 700. Now you open the directory of the image you want to edit and then you drag it into GIMP. On the right side of the screen, you find the layers of your file. Here, right-click on the layer of your picture and click on Scale Layer. Choose the dimensions so your product fits between the guidelines and fills up all the space. When you are done with that, you export the file and save it in JPEG format. We suggest you choose a file name that is relevant to your product and company. Names can also not be repeated, they all need to be unique. Now you click on Export and you have the featured image of your product. The other images for this product still have to be 800 x 800. After dragging them in the exact same way as you did before, you right-click on the layer and go into Scale Layer again. Out of the dimensions shown here, you select a higher number and change it to 800. With this, the other dimension will change as well, so now you have an image that fits on the website. Now, you only have to export it the same way as you did with the featured image. When you are setting up a new company on MEMIDOS, you need to upload a logo, a banner for desktop view, and a banner for mobile view. The size of these images should be the following. The logo should be 125 x 125. The desktop view banner should be 1650 x 350. The dimensions of the mobile storefront banner are 525 x 250. After setting it up, you edit it the same way as you did with the previous picture. This is all the picture editing you will need both for your storefront and your products. If you want to be updated on news around MEMIDOS, make sure you follow us on social media. You can find us with the following tags. Thanks for watching.